What is RBI's new international trade settlement mechanism? How can it help strengthen export ties with Russia and protect India's forex reserves? And why does it matter? Let's tell you this in this video. The RBI has given the go-ahead for a rupee-denominated settlement mechanism for international trade. This means international trades can now be settled and billed in Indian rupee. Previously, except for trades done with Nepal and Bhutan, transactions had to be settled in fully convertible currencies such as the US dollar, the sterling pound, euro, and yen. So why now? Essentially, if an exporting country is willing to accept rupee payments, then there will be less pressure on India's forex reserve. India's forex reserves are healthy at 588.3 billion as of July 8th and cover nearly 10 months of imports. But the central bank has been generously spending from it to support the sliding Indian rupee, which the bank does by selling dollars. Add to this, India has been seeing massive outflow of foreign portfolio investments, FPI, and is seeing record trade deficits this month. Sensing the sentiment, the central bank has recently announced a few measures to preserve the forex kitty. So if you're an importer or an exporter, how exactly will it work? First, another country has to express interest in setting this up. Then its central bank and the RBI will set up a common pool of money, putting in equal amounts. Authorized local banks will manage the central bank's money in vostro accounts. Vostro in Latin merely means your. So the local bank in the other country will hold RBI's money in their local currency, and the bank in Indian side will hold the other central bank's money in rupees. When an Indian trader exports, he or she can approach his or her regular bank, which will send the documents to the Indian authorized bank. The Indian authorized bank will then debit the rupee vostro account and credit the money to the exporter's regular bank, who will in turn credit the money to the exporter's bank account. When an Indian trader imports, he or she will transfer the payment into his or her regular bank, who will then transfer to the authorized bank. The authorized bank will credit the rupee vostro account, and the exporter from the other country will be paid through the authorized bank there and in the local currency. The central pool of money will thus be debited and credited as long as the mechanism is in place, and at regular intervals pre-decided, the country that has a balance of payments in its favor will decide what to do with what is remaining in the pool. If traders from across the world take to rupee payment, it will ease the pressure on forex reserves, and that will protect the rupee from sliding too much. But most importantly, experts say this puts a proper institutional framework in place to ensure smooth trade with Russia and local currencies rather than the dollar at a time when it has been cut off from its dollar reserves in the US, UK, and the EU.
It's rare to find news and insights tailor-made for you. For clutter-free content and value-added insights, India's #1 financial news destination, Moneycontrol brings you Moneycontrol Pro, an ad-free premium service that offers its subscribers curated market data, feasible investment solutions, exclusive noise-free information, independent equity analysis, and sharp opinion. Moneycontrol Pro, India's fastest growing subscription service, has offered valuable content to subscribers in sync with their interests and demands. We are now a family of over 500,000 active subscribers, consistently helping our users on their wealth creation journey and enriching their awareness around business and finance. We are grateful for the continued support of our loyal readers and subscribers for making Moneycontrol Pro an undisputed leader in its category. And if you are yet to experience the rich offerings, subscribe today for a seamless, uninterrupted access to a gamut of business and financial information. Be a pro with Moneycontrol Pro.